Welcome back to my channel. Hi, you guys. Guess what? Today we got a full glam makeup tutorial. Finally. Oh my gosh. So, today we got this beautiful dark chocolate mamacita in my chair right now, and she's new to makeup. Let's just say she doesn't get her makeup done. I think this was her first time getting her makeup done. Today is her graduation. She's graduating high school, and she wanted a full glam because she did not go to prom. So she said she wanted to look like, you know what I'm saying, like that girl. So I was like, I got you, babes. So she definitely let me freestyle. So I was like, I'm not gonna give her like any colors or anything like that. I'm gonna keep it neutral. Ooh, sorry y'all. I said I was gonna in my mind I was just saying, like, I'm gonna keep the colors neutral, and I don't want it to be too much, but I also want it to be like, you know, something like, you know, like just a little pop, but it's cute, but it's simple, and it's not too much. So of course I went in with Morphe and Java as my brow pencil, and I filled in her brows. And now I'm going in with Milani concealer in warm almond, and I'm using that to conceal her brows. I went in with the foundation Zambie from NARS to conceal her brows at the top. She got beautiful brows, and her skin is so smooth and clear. So here I am just concealing the top of her brows. Also, you guys, listen, I see y'all, like, y'all must have really liked my last tutorial. So I really appreciate all the love. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Hi, you guys. What's up? It's your girl Wit, and I got it. I got all of the vids that you need, all the makeup tutorials you need. So leave your comments down below and let me know what you want to see. So right now I'm going in my Beauty by Melissa palette, and I am going in with this orangey shade, and I use that for her. I use that as the first shade, and I'm just blending that everywhere into her eyelids. She also have like the perfect eyes to do cut creases, which I was really excited about. And then now I'm going in with like a darker brown, and I'm just tapping that into the crease, and I'm basically gonna deepen the crease a little bit. Now I'm not going too heavy with that color. Remember, I want it to be still neutral but cute, and still, like, you know, a full glam, but we're not gonna do it too bold. You're not gonna get the colors too bold. So here I am just using that same dark brown, and I'm just tapping that all into her crease with this fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics in V5. Also, you guys, everything is going to be listed down below in case I forget what I'm using in the video. So now I'm using this Morphe brush, and I'm going in with Canvas from P. Louise to cut her crease. So I'm taking my time. I'm taking my time to cut her crease. You want to go, you want to be like really patient and really like slow when it comes to cutting the crease. Yes, you want to be fast at the same time, but it's better to go smaller, like a small cut crease into a larger one, so you don't mess up. So I'm done cutting the crease. So here I am using this clean brush to take away some products in the cut crease. Now I'm going in with that dark brown shade from Beauty by Melissa. And I'm using the same V5 brush that I used before to bring in that dark brown from the outside of the cut crease. So I had like a little, what am I saying? So I accidentally brought that side a little bit too in. So what I basically did was I just went back with that brush that I used to take away the product, and I just tapped it on there, and it was back. Like it never left. And yeah, and I even added some more and like blended that all out. Now I'm going in with that with the second shade, and you guys, this is the shade that I used. This is the first shade that I used on her eyeshadow, and I'm just bringing that in. Now here I am going in with the dark brown shade, and I'm just blending out the dark brown with that orangey brown shade, making sure that everything is seamless and it doesn't have any harsh lines. So now I'm going back in that palette, and I'm using that nude shade, and I'm just placing that right in the tear duct area. And I'm just going back and forth with the brushes, and I'm just blending everything out. Here I am going in with Glow Up Academy glitter, and I'm using dual lash glue to apply the glitter, and I'm using this fluffy brush to apply the glitter onto her eyelid. Here I am using my hands to apply certain glitter on her eyelids, like the chunky part of the glitter, because it's mixed. So I dipped my hands into it, and I wanted to add a few more chunks. Now here I am using the dual lash glue, and I'm placing the glue so that I'm able to apply the rhinestones. I did not show the clip, but I eventually decided to go with 2 rhinestones instead of 3. I felt like 3 was a little bit too much. So now that we're done with the eyes, I went off camera and used the e.l.f. grip. And let me tell you guys, that thing can grip. That thing can grip. Like, it literally grips your face. So now I'm going in with NARS and Zambie, and I'm using my Instapop brush to set that foundation into her skin. And like always, I went in with a smaller brush to apply the foundation all over her face. Here I am going back over with the brows with her foundation, just to do a little bit of cleaning up in case I missed something. Now I'm going in with warm almond from Milani to conceal, and I'm going under the eyes, the bridge of the nose, the forehead, and the chin. Now I'm using this setting brush to set the concealer on her face, and I'm just blending out the edges of the concealer because I want the concealer to actually sit under her eyes for a bit, but not too long, simply because these concealers dry very fast and sometimes you have no control. Here I am making sure I get every concealer under the eyes, and now going in with some setting powder, and this is the shade Honey and Laura Mercier setting powder. Now I'm going in with black opal, and this is in the shade Ebony. And now I just placed that shade in my contoured areas. And here I am using my dingy angled brush that's deteriorating every day, and I'm using that to blend out her cream contour. As you can see, I'm like literally tapping her skin just because there's so much hair coming. The bristles are coming apart and I'm losing some of the hair on the brush. But here I am using the honey setting powder from Laura Mercier, and I'm setting all the highlighted areas. I love her eyebrows. It's so gorgeous. Now here I am setting the jawline. Here I am setting her nose after contouring. She was so sweet and so shy, you guys. It always be the shy ones. But here I am going in with some blush, and I'm just basically applying that on her cheeks. Now I'm going in with this dark brown lip pencil that I got from Walmart, and I'm just lining up her lips. Now I'm going in with Cairo from NYX lipstick, matte lipsticks. And I'm applying that all over the lip. Now I'm using this small brush to apply the clear lip gloss. And now here I am about to apply lashes. So I went in with my duo lash glue, and I basically applied it on my liquid eyeliner that I did for my client. And I basically applied on there, and then I placed my lashes right on top, and it sticks. I'm still getting hair off of her. Now I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me face powder. It's Superstay. And I'm going in with Java. And I am just setting her skin. Now I'm going in with my jet black pencil that I love so much from Walmart, and I am just going under the eye to give it like a really nice smoked out look. Now I'm going in with some mascara. And you guys, this completes this video. Thank you so much, so much for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers who's just arrived. Hi, you guys. I see you guys. Thank you for all the love. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.